Hi everyone. In today's video, let us see about the acceleration. Initially, let us see the definition first. The rate of change in velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. So, in our daily life, everybody think that acceleration is moving faster. That is not the actual meaning of the acceleration. We have to know the difference. So, if a body moves in slowly, if a body moves slowly, even if there is change in velocity, a slight change in velocity, that refers to the acceleration. Here I will explain you clearly with an example. See, if a person, so if we consider a car, in our daily life we use any vehicle to move from one place to one place. In a car, everybody say that click the accelerator, they say like this. So the accelerator, when we are in the first gear, we move some with some velocity. So if we change the gear, that is if we move in second gear, the velocity of the car changes. So this is nothing but the acceleration. So if it is in the first gear, the car moves with some velocity. Let us say that 5 meter per second. So if it is in the second gear and we press the accelerator, by pressing the accelerator, the velocity of the car changes to some velocity 10 meter per second. So again in the third gear, if we are in third gear, the velocity changes to 30 meter per second. And again in the same way, if we increase the gear, the velocity changes. This change in the velocity of a car or any other particle with respect to the time, with respect to some time interval, is nothing but acceleration. So the formula for the acceleration is equal to change in velocity to the time interval. Or we can say that acceleration as the ratio of change in velocity to the time interval. So here another point, we have to notice another point. So if a car comes from fourth gear to third gear, that is if we are in the fourth gear, the velocity also changes. That means that velocity decreases. And third gear to second gear, here also if you come to first gear, the velocity changes to 5 meter per second. So this is also a type of acceleration, but the velocity decreases. So as the velocity decreases, the acceleration becomes retardation. It is known as retardation or the deceleration. Okay, another point we have to notice here is, so if we are on earth, we are on earth, right? So if a particle is dropped down from a building, any building, it moves downward, right? So these particles acceleration will be 9.8 meter per second square. So the here, this is the gravity, the value of g, nothing but the acceleration, 9.8 meter per second. This is an important point to notice. It will be useful in the in solving the problems. And here is the building. Here the units of Acceleration are SI units, meter per second square. Okay, thank you guys. This is all about the acceleration. So have a nice day.